Yo, what is up? We're back. Episode 36, I think. Yeah, wow, episode 36. That's pretty cool to say. We've done that many. Yeah. Probably won't do an episode tomorrow. I'm going up to Chicago. So probably won't do one Friday and Saturday, but we'll be back at it on Sunday for sure. I'm not able to do it because I'm not on my computer or anything, but yeah. So yeah, our next one will be on Sunday. So 37 will be on Sunday. But yeah, let's get into it. So now we had a comment. We had a comment on our last video from my friend. He said that we should make the Pokemon sound ourselves. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it today. Yeah, let's see. Pokemon number 36. Clefable. I assume that's the evolution of Clefairy. I have no idea, to be honest. I only really knew of Clefairy. Clefable noise. Alright, here we go. Okay. That's a little bit hard to reenact. Okay. You know what? We'll do the other one. Clefairy. That was the one yesterday. Clefairy. Clefairy. Nice, bro. Nice. Let's go. Yeah. That's how Pokemon sounded today. Okay. But yeah. Let's get straight into it. Fuck, man, that's bright. Jeez. I don't know if that was the same one yesterday. I can't really remember, to be honest, but yeah, let's go to our... Man, I don't have that link. Jeez. Get up my laptop, get that link. Ooh, it's gonna rain tomorrow. It's not good, I'm driving. See, so black ice tomorrow. We don't want black ice. Looks good so far. Anyway. Okay. Oh man, jeez. Nice. Oh man. Okay. Still a link list problem yesterday. We did a lot of link lists, so should we attempt the hard? I don't know. Should we attempt the hard? I don't know. Should we? Should we attempt the hard? Let's take a look at it. Because why not? Ooh, the problem looks so scary, man. The red hard. So scary. Given the head of a linked list, reverse the nodes of the list k at a time, and list of k at a time. What does that mean, k at a time? Return the modified list. K is a positive integer and is less than or equal to the length of the linked list. If the number of nodes is not a multiple of k, then left out nodes in the end should remain as it is. You may not alter the values in the list nodes, only nodes themselves may be changed. I think we did this one yesterday. Swap nodes in pairs. Ooh, it's a similar question. I kind of noticed that. The diagrams seem kind of similar. I just don't really understand the question, to be honest. Reverse the nodes of the list k at a time and return the modified list. K is 3. So what I'm thinking here is that whatever k is what we do. So if it's 2, we do 2. If it's, you know, we keep doing 2, 2. And then it's 3, 3, or 5, 5. That's what I'm thinking, like, because here we have 3. I don't know if I want to take a little discussion yet. Well. Oh, man. My intuition for the problem. Oh, well. It is a tough problem. First of all, I think we got to get the length of the list. So let's do our length is equal to 0. Let's do our length pointer is equal to head. While length pointer does not equal 1, let's length pointer is equal to length pointer dot next. Alright? Then yes, we just increase our length. Let's print our length. Let's print out length. Let's see, yeah, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now we got our length. Jeez. Dummy is equal to list node 0. Let's create a new node. Let's do our previous is equal to dummy. I guess you probably want to visualize this a little bit. So two, 3, 4, 5. Right. Oh my gosh, dude, we've got our dummy, dude. No. Okay. Create our dummy. This is our dummy right here, right? Dummy isn't even connected to anything, so I'm not even gonna connect it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we have our previous is equal to dummy. So this is our previous, right? And I guess our dummy is actually meant to be right. I'll just put a D here for dummy. Can remember our dummy pointer. Right. God, I can't do a D. No. Right. But kind of looks like a D, dude. I'm tripping balls. Yeah, okay, we just did a D. Okay. Obviously we want to set our cur. Cur is equal to head. Alright, so now we created our cur pointer. So we have our cur here. Okay. So I guess we want to well, it's not always going to be 2, that's the thing. How would we do it in a group? It's not always going to be 2 or 3. Because we could have 3, so how we could have 3. 2, 4, 5, so it's like we're not stuck with like a 2. So I'm trying to think how. Okay, so no, that helps. How can we solve this? I mean, we could cheat and turn it into an array. You may not alter the values in the list nodes, only the nodes themselves may be changed. Okay. Make it maybe a for loop. But like, we keep looping over k numbers. Does that make sense? I don't know. Well, why wouldn't work because we terminate the while. How we go back in? I need some sort of hint, bro. I need a hint, bro. Give me... Okay. For I in range. Bro, how are we meant to loop? This is a tough problem, bro. Like, okay, first, he says here we gotta check if it's empty. If head and k is equal to 1. So I guess all. We just want to return the head, right? Probably we don't really need this. I need the length. I thought we would need to calculate the length. We were right there here creating a list node. tough, bro. What a tough problem. Okay, no. Fellowship finds a Keith note to check if reversal is needed. This is tough, bro. I think this is kind of cheating. A little bit. Sorry guys, I haven't been speaking much. I'm just so locked in trying to figure this out. I get really quiet when I think. Step 1, extract the values into an array. That's what it does here. Identify valid reversals. Identify the largest index. Was this today, bro? Yesterday, Jan 29th. Gee. Anish, dude, what a goat, dude. Anoush the goat, dude. Okay. Strike values into an array. So let's create an array. Whoa. Let's do what he does. Let's create like the temp is equal to head. Temp is not equal to none. We array dot append temp dot val. Then we increment temp is equal to temp dot next. We drew the val. Okay, we're doing the val. Okay. Identify valid for head for vessels. Identify the largest index IND that is a multiple of k. So we make temp, I guess we just reset temp pointer to head, temp is equal to head. We have an IND. IND is length of array to length of array. Whoops, we didn't do this. Okay. Well, IND does not equal 0. What we're doing here, while IND does not equal 0. Okay, we're looking for, I think this is looking for the largest like window in the array to swap all the values. Temp k, right? So while IND does not equal 0, IND percent k is equal if percent k is equal to 0, then we found our value. We break. Okay. I'm confused why we're decrementing here. I don't know why. Oh, just ripped ass. Whoops. Why do we decrement IND? Oh, I think it's to make it 0 index, right? Oh my gosh, am I that stupid, dude? Oh my gosh. I didn't realize it was inside the while loop. So we're just decrementing here because of the while loop. Oh my gosh, dude. That took me forever. Okay. So now we are slicing. We want to just keep this part of the array. Oh, man, my chest hurts so bad. I'm getting like hella heartburn right now. Why were we saying this? RE2, right? Height in range 0, length temp, and we're iterating by k. Fuck with that. We're iterating by k. Range 0, length temp. Okay, so this is going from starting from 0, going to the length of temp, and we're iterating by k. So t is equal to temp I k plus 1. T is equal to and dot extend t. I in range length temp. Res I is equal to answer I. I'm not sure what this is doing, to be honest. Okay, so this process chunks. This loops over value. Equal to temp k plus I. And this reverses. T is equal to -1. Let me add to answer. So extend T. Why do we use dot extend? Do we use dot extend? Okay. Extends list. That's not a pen. Right. Okay, now this loop here loops and adds values to res. God, we have a res array as well, dude. Jesus, dude. Like, okay, so I think it's array. I think this could be cleaned up like much more, this code. Like, it's a little bit difficult to figure out how you got so many array variables. Whereas array I is equal to and I. Equal to 0, temp is equal to head. Why are we incrementing index here? While temp does not equal none. Temp.val equal res. I was using it as a counter here, that's why. Okay. Counter. Array. Get snuffled let's just do counter for array. Temp.val res. Counter. Temp is equal to temp.next. Increase our counter. Counter plus equal 1. Does not reverse? Oh shit. Oops. That's what I meant. Whoops. This node has no length. It's meant to be array. Interesting problem. This can be honestly really definitely cleaned up, like make this more readable. I guess result array. My leg's freaking itchy, dude. Oh my gosh. Let's do res here. Res. We do not need this, I don't think. Let's call this a dummy array. array. We actually have actual array. Oh, my leg, bro. Definitely an interesting way to do it. That was for sure a tough problem. I mean, I did not do that problem. Sorry, I'm leaning over. My leg is literally so itchy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, tough problem, man. Tough problem for sure. How? Let's reverse a linked list real quick. Reverse a linked list 2. Let's have a look. Given the head of a single linked list and 2 integers left and right, where left is this? First nodes of the list from the position left to right and return the reversed list. Res is equal to this, right? This is the numbers. Ooh. Let's do it the cheating way first, okay? Well, I like to call it cheating way. Let's do it with an array. So, while code is not equal none, let's res little pen code of val code is equal to code on next. Okay, let's just entire res really quick. Okay, loops and adds values to res array. Okay, now we've got it in the res array. We can loop for I in range length in range, let's go left to right, and we increase by 1. I don't know if that's, we have our window. We could create a temp array. loop between this part. So I guess we're starting this. We're starting here and we're going boom, boom. You know, I guess we want to... How do they... I don't think this will work. I just want to make sure what this is doing. Losing by 1. I guess we could loop the... Let's create an array here instead. Loop the left part, so let's create a res array. We loop the left part, so we do for I in range length left res.append array left. Print array. No, print res. Sorry. Let's save this. Let's see what this prints. Oh my gosh, this is meant to be I. Shit, we don't include 0. Buddy's face on me, dude. Okay. Then we do the middle part. And then we do the left part, the middle part, do the right part. Alright, so we do the middle part, we do this. This is like the worst solution ever, but it's right, we're gonna go with it. Middle about append I. And array I. Then we reverse middle, -1, this reverses, And then we have to loop again, bro. By range, length, middle. Then we do res.append. Okay, this is a terrible solution. I'm gonna fix this up. I'm just gonna make sure this works. We'll fix it up, and then we'll do the even better solution. At least I just know that this works. Like, but I'm sure there's a much easier way to do it. On, yeah. Res.append. Middle I. Okay, let's print our res. One, 4, 3. F -1. Is that gonna help it? Okay. 4, 3, 2. And then we do the right part for I in range length. Right to the length of the array. Then we increase by 1. Rid of this part. We and array. Return res. I don't know if this will work actually, but I mean it could. Oh, we have to. I totally thought this was a language problem. Oh my gosh. Okay. Cut2 is equal to head. Log cut2 does not equal none. Cut2.val is equal to array I. Let's put the counter here. Counter equal to 0. There's I, right? We want to increment our counter. And then we want to cut2 is equal to cut2.next. And we want to return, I guess, our head. Oh my gosh, bro, this solution sucks, dude. Output 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. What the hell? 2 is equal to count what cut2 is, huh? Oh my gosh, just equal to res counter. Gosh, this test case doesn't pause. If left is equal to 2 and right is equal to 2. Gosh, man, do I have to make a separate test case for this? Do Do I really have to do this again? Oh my gosh, good 3. Bro, do not copy this solution. Oh my god. Code 3 is equal to I guess we could just technically reverse this. Oh? Can't we just reverse it? Maybe we just can't. Pref is equal to none. Let's just reverse it in place. Well, cur3 does not equal none. Cur3.next is equal to nxt. Gotta visualize it. This is what we're looking at, so this is our next. So we do prev is equal to what is wrong with me? I did this yesterday. How can I not? Rid of 2. Prev.next. Well, I know cur is equal to next, and then prev is equal to next. Prev is equal to cur. This one is where you break the link. Link lists is so fucking hard to think about every single time. I don't know what it is, but prev.next. Dude, how can I not do this, bro? I'm getting actually angry right now, bro. That way. I want to break this link. I'm gonna go with code on x is equal to code 3 dot x is equal to previous. Where is it? Previous dot next is equal to code. Bro, it's so frustrating. Seriously. Is that what I did? Previous. Jesus. Code on next is equal to previous. So we got rid of this. Code on next is equal to previous. And then we return oh my god, bro. Or like I was pretty close. So I can get rid of this. I don't need, it's because my indexing is messed up. Oh my god, it's because I'm starting from 1. That's what messed up the whole thing. Jesus, dude. I can get rid of this. I didn't even have to loop. Array left -1 right middle dot reverse dot extend middle. There we go. Okay. Thank you. My indexing was messed up. I was about to throw my water bottle out there. Out the ceiling. Good on. See, in Python, you don't even need, I guess. Yeah. Well, the optimized array approach is pretty much the same, but it's like without losing the use. It's like using Python specific, like slicing and everything to get specific parts, you know. Sorry guys, I haven't been speaking much this episode. Like, I guess I've just been absolutely just dialed in to like trying to figure this out. No, I don't want to see a solution. Okay, I'm going. I want to look at this node again. Okay, we're gonna do the normal approach now. Oh, whoops, wrong one. Yeah. I'm gonna do a normal approach really quick. Right. I guess to get out of the way with the out on array and actually, you know, do it with a linked list. Well, I think the way I'm thinking about it is that you know, we have this, right? Let's get rid of all this crap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we start off our dummy, right? We have our dummy here. What I'm thinking is that we keep looping, right? So we loop to left, right? Okay, so we go here. We realize when we get here, right, using some sort of counter or something, we get here. Then we just do a normal, we switch up the nodes. So we have like, our previous is here, right? This is our current. And then this is our next, right? And we just keep swapping. You know, we just swap the nodes, 2, and then we go 2 and 4. Would that work? So we go 2, 3, swap. And then we go 2 and 4, so now we swap. Okay, so we gotta reverse the whole thing. So we'd have to go from the end here. I'm not sure, dude. Fuck. Can you even reverse it like that? Move prev to the node just before the left node. That's, oh my god, that's literally what I thought, bro. Start reversing from the left node. So I was right what we were doing, right? We have to get to this node and we swap, right, to the end of this one. But what I didn't understand is that how to actually get this to the front, you know? How do we reverse this though? We do curves equal.
Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the Leetcode question reverse linked list 2. So you are given head of singly linked list and the two integers left and right. This link is this, and the prev pointer in my actual logic here, right? So this is the second step. Okay, finally we reverse the linked list, and so I put the actual logic here. So let me explain one by one. So first of all, before we reverse the linked list, so initialized current pointer with prev.next. So now prev is 1, so prev.next is here, right? So here is a current pointer, and then iterate through right minus left time, so 4 minus 2. So we iterate twice, and then first of all, so keep current.next with temp. So current is now 2, so that means 3. So now temp is 3, and then next update current.next with temp.next. So current.next, current is now 2 and pointing 3. So update current.next with temp.next is 4, right? So like this. And then temp.next is now pointing 4. And update temp.next with prev.next. So prev is now 1. So that means 2, right? So temp.next pointing 2. And then finally, prev.next with temp. So like this. So now connecting like 1, 3, 2, 4, right? And then, but we loop twice, right? So that's why we do the same thing again. So again, keep current.next with temp. So let me change the color, green. So current.next is now 4, right? So now temp is here. And then update current.next. So now pointing 4 with temp.next. So temp is now 4. So temp.next is 5. So current.next is now pointing 5. And then temp.next is updated with prev.next. So prev is now 1 and the dot next is 3. So temp.next pointing 3. And then finally, prev.next. So here, prev.next is updated with temp. So temp is now 4. So prev.next pointing 4. And then finish. So now linked list is connected like 1 and 4 and then 3 and then 2 and then 5. 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, right? And then in the end, so do you remember we initialized dummy node? So dummy node always pointing the first node 1. So that's why, so we need to return this part, right? So that's why dummy.next should be like a return value. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. Pointer. And this, first of all,
Okay. Dummy is equal to list node. X equal to head. Previous is equal to dummy. So now we want to loop. In range we want to go to left, right? So we want to go 0 to left, -1, right? We want to go before. We want the prev to be before. We just do prev is equal to prev.next. Yes, right? Yeah. So reversing from prev, so we do prev.next is equal to cur. Wait, sorry, no, whoops. Cur is equal to prev.next. Yep, and then we want to loop in range, length, right. Range, we don't need no length, right minus left. Right. Right, oops, 4, right minus left times. So this is our prev here, right now. Okay. And we got our cur. So what we want to do is we want to do first of all, I think we need to do cur.next. Sorry. Temp is equal to cur.next. So let's do our prev.next is equal to temp.next. right? Prev.next is equal to temp.next. Sorry, no, code.next. That's what I meant, my bad. Prev.next, so this link. I guess now we can do, I guess E is equal to temp. Right? That's wrong. Code.next equal to temp.next. Right? So then we code.next here. So 0, 1, 2, 4. Temp.next is equal. Sorry. Temp.next is equal to prev.next. Wait, temp. God, my eyes are fucking hurting, dude. Holy fuck, man. Temp.next. This is equal to prev.next. Right, I think that goes to 2. And then prev.next is equal to temp. Is equal to temp. So let's look at this. We go. Gosh, dude. Okay. 0, 1, 3, 2, 4. 0, 1, 3, 2, 4. Yeah, that looks right. Because we swapped these ones. So then we'd move again. So we move temp. But where are we incrementing cur? Okay, code.next equal to temp. So then we remove temp. Alright, so we have now temp is here. Right. So then we do code.next. Code.next equal to temp.next. Code.next. Code.next equal to temp.next. So this one equal to here. Temp.next equal to previous.next. So temp.next. Equal to previous.next. Previous.next is equal to temp previous.next. Prev.next is equal to temp. So let's do it. 0, 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. Yeah. Did that correct? Bro, my eyes, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Jeez. Return the next. Alright, bro. We're gonna leave it at that. Oh man, that's frustrating. Yesterday, thoughts. Well, yesterday I thought I did better with this stuff. Maybe not. Maybe it's still confusing, so maybe I gotta keep looking through it. This solution is 100 times better than this one. The other array one. Man, that one was bad, but anyway, it's just the links that get me, man. It's the prev.next, temp, like, you know, it's just like the thinking about it is like kind of what gets me, really. I think I am getting better. We're going to keep going, but definitely going to take a break. It's been about an hour and a half and I did 2 problems. So, I mean, I didn't even do 2 problems. I did the first one was tough. I mean, I couldn't really do that, but a way to think about that. But then the second one wasn't so bad. I mean, I did it with an array, but you know, I want to be able to do it with this. So it's the goal. But yeah, anyway, I will see you guys on Sunday. So I'll see you guys later.